thanks for life, you know, Jack.
True.
Give thanks for the freedom. Yeah. This me I tell you about, you can die so freely. A reason. You see me? About 50 years now, at this our four parents been fighting for.
Alright, then I'm say I get it on the front here. Alright, then I'm gonna call her in for you now.
Call her, you know.
Rufus!
Same thing I tell about that boy. If boy nearly done the pot of soup and see when he gone a road, all with the plate too.
Take a girl, come here man.
No,
I'm not begging nothing man.
The girl are up. Empress here. Come in, Empress. Let me say something to you. Rastafari.
Right now you're saying you're Rasta vibes, you're not no vibes. Right now you're waiting for time, you're 16 for mine. That's
What you say, Empress?
Brother, all if you say Rufus a jacket, you know, say make you look like some is a bad woman.